what happens if we want to calculate the reflection that we talked about with the cross product? So let's clear the screen, and let's say that we have our surface, we have our ball moving in towards the surface, we know the normal of our surface, and we want to find this blue vector. How can we go about doing that? Well, what can we observe about these vectors? The part that is going along the normal, right, is flipped. So if we look at this part, the part along the normal, it's the same, but this one's going down while this one's going up. Then if we look at the part that's opposite the normal, so normal to the normal, or just the surface, you'll notice that these two parts are the same. So to find this bounce vector, if we can decompose the vector into a normal vector and a normal perpendicular vector, that'll tell us what the bounce is, right? So how can we break it down into those two vectors? Well, for starters, we want to find the green vector, right, projected onto the red vector. How do we do that? We take the dot product of green with red, assuming that the red vector is a normal vector. So assuming red is unit. And then we can multiply that result by the red vector. Okay, so we're going to call this the orange vector. And then how do we find the purple vector? Well, the purple vector, the one that goes along the surface, so normal to the normal vector, is just what's left over. So it's equal to the green vector minus the orange vector. And then the blue vector is equal to the negative orange vector, because remember, we mentioned that it flips. So negative orange plus the purple vector.